have Jason the Revelation
Kirby
on
times!
YouTube, man.
Oh.
Yeah,
It's not
so
her.
that's what I
Yes,
got going on.
sir.
Hold on, baby. Let me show him. Let me show him the matching helmet.
Okay. Yeah, I get it. No.
So here goes the
I don't
matching
think
helmet.
What the
I just
fuck, Ray J?
I painted this one to match the bike.
You painted it?
Yeah, all I did was paint the lip.
Oh, dude,
It's
that's sick.
see the sun better.
Bro, that's a nice paint. What kind of paint you use for that?
It's I did a flat black with a gold flake spray can. All my paint jobs are spray cans.
Yeah, all the paint he did was spray cans. Everything on the bike, everything. But I can't
Bro,
believe it.
you did a hell of a job on that damn helmet.
Look, here's the fenders right here. I haven't put them on yet. It's the front fender right here.
Yeah, but
Show the get close with the camera and show the flake. Yeah, see that? That's what I'm talking about. Like,
bro, that's good.
That's all spray cans.
That's what I'm saying.
That's all spray can. That's a good spray can, bro.
That's what I'm
Let me
saying.
Let me show what I'm using.
Okay.
Like that's what the bike looks like. Like that's
Uh-huh.
like you couldn't tell, but if he zooms in, that's how the whole bike. You can't tell on Instagram.
So this
But
is
his bike.
this is the flat black I use.
Bro.
Home Depot flat black.
What did
Just
you get it from?
This is like $6 right here, Home Depot.
Oh, Home Depot, yeah.
It's a satin gloss black, and then I let it dry, and then I hit it with this gold flake I got from Amazon.
He said add to his fucking car. He's fucking white.
You know what I'm saying? That's from Amazon. And then I hit it with the clear coat I got from Home Depot, and I use this gun that I put on top of the cans.
Yeah.
I just
and then you can.
What's Ray J talking about?
He over there talking to himself.
Yeah. All right, baby. Well, I just want to hit you up real quick. I gotta get ready. I'm going that way in a minute.
It's about the same price as going to the one.
Hey, just so I know, who's all coming?
Yeah. Oh, look at that dog.
Junior. This motherfucker. He was trying to figure out how to leave rather than answer my fucking question.
I'm crying. No, in a
cup?
Yeah, cup.
You don't want a cone?
No, fucking cone. Palm trees is swaying.
Hey, babe.
I don't know what the fuck Ray J's talking about.
I don't know. Calling somebody white.
But I need my drink.
As if I was not born the color of a fucking saltine cracker, okay? Been this color my whole life. I know. I'm aware.
Bro.
Oh, that move? Yeah, I see that and the barbecue over there now.
Bro, I woke up. I thought it was a fucking earthquake. My whole fucking bed was shaking.
What's the puppy up to? What's the puppy up to, huh? What you doing?
Hey, BB, you ready for BB, you ready for that big earthquake? They said it's supposed to be at 8.0.
When?
They said the news was talking about it.
They're saying that's supposed to happen over here in California or what?
Yeah, in the southern part of LA.
Oh, shit.
I mean, southern California part.
Yeah.
It's supposed,
So
we overdue it for a big one. So
I got you. Yeah. I'm sure. I mean, they shook just a small one just recently.
Ray J, shut the fuck up. You're jaundiced as fuck.
There was like a 4 point something that happened just like 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago. I don't really remember.
Yeah.
But it happened recently.
Right.
So we had a small one. So that might be the small one for the next, getting ready for the big one. You know what I mean?
Well, hey, bro, I'm not going to be here when that happens, bro.
Well, see, here's the thing is, luckily, let me get in there.
Ray J's talking shit, yet his fucking liver's going.
Bro, he
Fuck on.
had some white shit stuck to his lips
I have
earlier.
the baby sleeping.
Bro,
right
I'll
I'm about
tell
to
you
eat.
what
Like,
that
I'm
white
telling
shit
you, I
it
don't
is.
was
want to think
like
about his
dead
white lip.
skin on
I
his
couldn't be
lip, but it
yelling
was
right there
like
because the
hanging
baby was
off.
sleeping
Bro,
right
that
there.
nigga got
When are you
pimples on his lips, like
taking your shower?
he got fungus on his
That's called
lips.
herpes.
When are you taking your shower?
It's herpes from sucking dick.
Yo, I don't even want to think about that
That's
shit, bro. I'm about to
gross.
eat ice.